Hello people and welcome back to Caught on Dashcam channel, a channel that brings you only the latest and craziest road moments caught on driver's dashcam. This episode is going to be full of crazy encounters and you might want to grab your snack before we start with it. All the clips used in this video are for educational purposes and hopefully you'll learn something out of them. Without any further delay, let's jump right into today's episode. In our first video, we have a crazy Honda driver swerving all over the place. He was dangerously cutting others off and displayed an improper way of driving. No turn signals, mirrors checking, respecting the speed limit or road markings. This guy ignored it all. Driver ran a stop sign and he pulled out way too much onto the road. The camera had to move over into a completely opposite lane to avoid hitting him. Always make sure to look before acting.
Homeowners experiencing low water pressure, rusty yellow water, little to no hot water, or pressure.
Driver in front didn't know which lane he was in. It was definitely not a double left turn lane, but that didn't prevent him from turning left either way. In this video, you'll see a crazy truck driver cutting in front of a driver in the last possible second. Like that move was not shocking enough, he did it again just moments later as he cut off the camera. Cutting up the entire traffic without a single care about what may happen to you and the ones around is plain crazy. When a selfie driver is in the traffic, everyone should be cautious.
Called Artifact, which is being created by the co-founders of Instagram, Kevin Systrom and Michael Krieger, who of course, sold Instagram to Facebook Club, but then less in 2018. Of applying the success and the strategies of TikTok to news. So Artifact is a personalized news feed.
I thought Harry was coming.
Letting you know how Agnes says he could get away. So he sent me the money.
How much? He told me I could name the price. Have you got it with you?
If you have the negative.
Yeah. You'll see them when I get the money.
Oh my God! Hey, look, you can't even keep the car right. Tesla, I'm coming in. Jesus Christ. Oh.
With this clip we conclude another epic and entertaining episode on Caught on Dashcam channel. I hope you guys enjoy watching and perhaps learning a thing or two on how to properly behave in the traffic. After all, why not learn on the mistakes of others if you have opportunity to do it? Make sure to leave a like because it helps this channel grow. Until the next episode, drive safe and take care.